Transferring money from Safepal to Cash App is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. First, open the Safepal app. On the asset list, choose the coin or token that you would like to transfer. So, click the send icon. Input the destination address and the amount. Then click on next. Also, read the important part for more information. Then, select the gas fee setting and click on next. Carefully check and confirm the transaction details. Then click on send and input your security password or use fingerprint to authorize the transaction. Then the transaction is completed. Now that your Cash App account is funded, you can use it for payments, transfers, or any other Cash App features. Please note that this process may involve fees and it may take some time to complete, as cryptocurrency transactions can vary in terms of processing times. Additionally, cryptocurrency transactions can be subject to market volatility, so it's important to be aware of the exchange rates and potential price fluctuations.